Okay, so you have just finishing editing your video and you have rendered your video, but when you render the video, the output is
Hello guys, so
very blurry. So this is how it looks. How do you fix this? Yet the video you are editing was very clear. So the quick fix to this is going to your export settings, so Control M, or you can here export media. Then once you're here, you want to come and change the settings. As you can see, currently it's on AVI, so you're gonna click here and you're gonna go to H264. You're gonna see it has changed. It has changed. Once it has changed, now you can now make sure this is clicked, both of these are clicked, and then you can change depending on the type of video you want. You can change the quality. So mine, I'm gonna set it to match source, which is the high bitrate. Then just click on your output name and then you can export. Once you have exported, your video should be of a high quality. Yeah, so that's how you fix blurry video when exporting in Premiere Pro.
perfect.